Oh, hi guys, nice to have you here. There's a new video today about the Turbo Trans Am, and that's because I got a delivery from Rock Auto and I have some new parts there. And I will try to fix the distributor. Last time I was showing you there are some parts missing and I tried to order something, but it wasn't so easy because it seems the Turbo Trans Am has a different distributor and the export model also something different. And so I just tried to order something and I really hope it fits. If everything will fit, I will try to start the car, and that will be very interesting because that will be the first try to start the engine after 10 or 15 years or so. So let's see what parts we have here. First of all, a new battery with European connectors. And then we have a distributor cap here. We have a cap for the cap. Yeah, looks like a piece of plastic. And this part is completely missing in the distributor. I don't know how it calls in English. Of course I know what it does and what it is for, but I don't know how it's called. I'm very curious if this one will fit because there are a lot of varieties on these parts and I found just one with 2 and 3 connectors. And yeah, I really hope it's the right one and it will work. Then we have a new ignition coil from Hitachi. And so there are 2 rotors. I ordered a 2 one because there was 2 different. They seem to be different. But if I take a look here, they really look like the same. So I don't know. I will take this one maybe. We'll take a look. It seems to be the same. And then at the end we have some ignition cable, wire set, and new spark plugs, iridium ones. So let's take all that stuff and go to the car and try to fix the distributor. So I tried to install the ignition coil. I made this, but we have different colors here. If you see here, I make some light. Here is the yellow one on the left, the red on the right. And if you take a look to the original ignition coil, the red one is on the right and the white is on the left. I need to check now if this is all right or not. Somehow I cannot find the timing mark. That's pretty strange. If I take a look here, I see the line there, but I don't see the marking on the engine. Okay, I will try to do without. So the rotor is back in. Some cables I had to do new. This one's here, the contact was not very good. I made that new. The rotor is in. Should be fine. And all cables are here. Ignition cables. And now let's put the distributor in. Now the distributor cap is back in. I think this thing is wired up now. Good, and now let's change the spark plugs. Yeah, that will be not too easy, but it just has to be. Oh, one is missing. But so now there are all new spark plugs in it. That was a real pain. I mean, it was not that terrible like other cars. But some on this side it was going really well, but on this side, yeah, especially this one was really bad to change. But spark plug changed now, and if we take a look to the old ones, they doesn't look really fresh. What did I saw? Yeah, they just, this one is pretty in bad condition. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the ignition cables. So, I think I'm ready so far. I was putting the new ignition cables in it, and also new battery. There's the battery, and as you see, there are some new ignition cables, and I really hope they are wired up correctly. It's not that easy to guess the right firing order, but yeah, I think now is the moment, the first time after 8 or 9 or 10 years, we will try to start this car. And I don't really expect that the car will run, but let's try.